Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get blueberry seeds in 7 days to die. So to begin, first of all, we'll need to have some blueberries, and from these we can go ahead and craft the blueberry seeds. To get blueberries, we want to go ahead and locate a snow biome, just like this. Go inside of it and find a blueberry plant, which is going to look like this. There's a green bush with some blueberries on it. Go ahead and harvest it. And also there's a skill inside of general perks, living off the land, that is going to increase the yield of the crops that you harvest. So make sure you've got it upgraded to the fullest you can. And now with the blueberries collected, also you can get them from a trader sometimes, or find them inside of some loot. And now that you have them, go ahead and click on recipes or search for the blueberry seed. And from 5 blueberries, we can go ahead and craft 1 blueberry seed. This can then be planted on the farm plot block, and this is pretty much all. How to get the blueberry seed in 7 days. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.